In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Windows 11 PC. So first, let's open up Settings app. And then in here, you want to go to the activation settings. So just search for activation, and then you'll see. So here you'll see the status of your activation. It will say not active if yours isn't. So mine is active, but I'll guide you through what you will do if yours is not active. So if you have a product key of Windows, just click on this drop down and then click on change product key. And then you'll enter in the product key right here. You can find the product key in the email as they say here. It can be on the package box that came with your PC, or it can be a sticker on the hardware of your PC. And it should have the product key on it. And if you don't have a product key, then you can consider using a digital license, which is what I'm using actually. Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. So that means this account right here, this email, has is basically linked to a Windows license, and that means if I sign in to this account on this PC, then this can automatically be activated as well. To use this method, just go to Accounts. If you have a digital or an account, a Microsoft account that is linked to a Windows license, then you can use this method. Go to Accounts, and then over here, click on Your Accounts. And then in here, you'll see a bunch of accounts. Click on Add a Microsoft account, and then just add that Microsoft account that's linked, that you know is linked, over here, and go through the steps until it's added. And now you want to just sign into that account instead of the account that you're on right now. So to do that, you can go to Accounts, back to Accounts here, go down, and then go to Your Info, and then over here you'll see Account Settings. Under Account Settings, you'll see Sign in with a local account. First, you go to a local account, and then after you sign into a local account, you're going to go to this page again, or this page in Settings, and then you'll see Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. You just click that, and then you sign in with that account that you just added. I know it's a weird process, I can't record it, so I'm just telling you here what to do. And that's how you can basically use that digital license. And to just make sure it works, go, after you have signed into that account, go to Activation Settings again, and then click on the drop down if it's not active still, and then you'll see Troubleshoot here. Just click on Troubleshoot, and then you'll see I have recently changed the hardware. Just click on that option, and then select your device, and then click on Activate, and that should activate the account automatically. So if you don't have neither of those options, there is still a way to activate your Windows. So let's close Settings here, and the way you can do this is go to your browser, and you can purchase a retail license. And a retail license is basically like a product key that's sold separately from the PC itself. So for this one, you have to actually go to a trusted seller to buy it. And the one I recommend is going to Microsoft. So go to Microsoft.com, and then click on Windows here at the top, and then click on Get Windows. And then depending on whether you have Windows 11 Home or Pro, click on the corresponding one. So I have Home. I would click on Home here, and then scroll down, and then you'll see and then you'll see the price. You can buy it from here. This one is French. You can choose download or English, and usually English is the one you would need. And then you click add to cart, and this is basically you buying a retail license. And the nice thing about retail licenses is that you can transfer them to another PC, but it has to be used all once at a time. Another place you can get a retail license is from Best Buy, but be careful about buying retail licenses that are too cheap, because they're usually scams. And yeah, that's about it for how to activate your Windows. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe.